So today I'm going to be showing you how to foam roll your glute muscles, which are right here. So first what you need is a foam roller. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to sit on the foam roller. Now whichever glute or whichever side you're working on, that's the leg you're going to lift up. So for instance, I'm going to be doing my left side. So I'm going to lift my left leg on top of my right foot, which is planted flat on the ground. I'm going to keep my left hand behind me. That's going to help keep me balanced and stable. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to turn a little bit so that you're hitting the squishier part of your glute muscle. You don't want to be totally on your side, but enough that you can feel where you're tender or tight in that glute area. Then you're going to use your planted foot to roll yourself nice and easy back and forth along that glute muscle. And another thing that you can do is when you're pushing yourself back and forth is moving yourself around to feel where those areas might be tender or tight and roll right on it. You want to do this to start out about 10 or 15 seconds and work your way up to 30 seconds. And then you'll do the same thing on the right side. My right leg comes up, left foot stays planted, my right hand is behind me. Nice and easy back and forth.